Hello, 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 it's Dolly, and I am here for Close to My Heart November-December reveal of the products that are being released for November and December. We're so excited because this release is coming out October 15th, so it's coming to you 16 days early to get you jump started on purchasing products to make your Thanksgiving cards, your Christmas cards, your layouts. You're going to be all prepared. You can purchase also the Days of December workshop kit and stamp and thin cuts, or just the Days of December workshop. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to show you that I've purchased so far, I only have a couple more things coming in from this catalog, and I'll share that at the end, but right now I'm going to share Cedar and Pine. I know that you're going to see a lot of videos out today from all the consultants, but we may not all be purchasing the same thing, so I think it's important to show you just in case. Yes, there'll be some duplicates. All right, the stamp of the month for for November is this one here. I love it. Grateful family, nice large stamping icons that you can use on layouts. Time is the best time. Hugs to you, count, and you could put your blessing. So I love it. You've got the larger and smaller fonts. Let me take this out. You can get this for $5 if you purchase $50 or more. And let me see if I've got a cardstock here, a white cardstock. So there you go. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, so off to the Cedar and Pine compliments. You can use this as tags for your Christmas gifts, or you can use it on layouts. And guess what? I'm going to use it on layouts and cards. That is my plan. So that is the Cedar and Pine compliments. I'm sorry that I'm going fast. You can also freeze this video. You can leave me comments below with all your questions. I would love to have you as a customer. I am a new consultant, so I would love it. This is my only pitch, and then I'm going to go and show if I could get 6 of you awesome ladies to place an order of $50 or more. I would appreciate it. You will also get a gift from me for purchasing products. So please follow my links listed below. Go over and shop with me. If you need a catalog ahead of time, let me know if you're in the US, and I will be more than glad to mail you one. So again, come support me, all right? All right, so this is, I purchased the paper pack with stickers. I just love this. It has that kind of, if you're familiar with crepe paper, it is not really creamy, but kind of, it's like a, what I would call a country white. I love it. And their stickers are awesome. You will not complain about the stickiness. You might say, ooh, they stick too good, but I love their stickers. I just love, all these are my Christmas tones, but in a more muted, matted, and I love that. So that's the sticker sheet. And then you're going to get 6 double-sided papers. Let me move my stamps that I purchased in some other products. So this is one side, and you can coordinate that together, or you can coordinate all 3 of these together. You can chop into every single one, or you can use it by itself and bring stuff in from your stash. So this is side A, and then that would be the B. So that's one. And this is side A. And then this would be side B, and you've got these branding strips. And I love this gorgeous jade, dark jade green with black stripes in here. And then this side is Let It Snow, White Christmas, Magical, Wonderful, fa la la. And look at that branding strip. Isn't that awesome? So I only purchased one pack. If you want two, you can buy just the paper pack on itself to add more to stretch it. You can also purchase the coordinating cardstock, which is what I did. I didn't do the mix-in, and you get 12 sheets of the cardstock. So this is Cedar and Pine coordinating cardstock, and it's X7251D. So you get 2 greens, 2 of that mustard yellow, this beautiful, what I would call a tomato red. And if you want to know the exact colors, let me know and I will get that information to you. It is in the catalog. If I have time, I don't want this video to go too long, I will share the colors with you. So that's the coordinating cardstock. And see how that will work just beautifully with and stretch your layouts. Or what I am going to use, I'm going to do layouts and cards. So that will stretch it. So that's basically my kit there put together. All right, now let me go on to, I purchased the Holly Jolly Workshop card kit. Now, I'm not real good about following instructions. I mean, I can follow them, but I am planning on making these cards. I fell in love with this elf. Look at the samples there. So you could, if it's too much to follow the instructions, these cuts are really, really simple. I'm losing my light, I'm sorry. Let's see if I can bring in some more light here to this. It's because it's got that shiny and my camera wants to adjust. But you could easily make these cards one at a time, or the instructions in this kit shows you how to do it and make your cuts like bulk making your cards. And then it goes, so it shows all your cuts, and then it goes in for each layout. So if you're somebody that likes to be very precise, then follow the instructions. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. So you get that, you get the stamp set and Thinlet. So if this kit is perfect if you're like me, if you have, I do not have like a big shot, I have a side kick. And this will work perfect for, let me do it that way, using the side kick. The stamp and the die cut. All right, now let's see. Guess I could put it like this so you can see. I don't know. Then you get some of the embellishing thread, 10 yards in silver, and then you get 1, 2, 3. I think you can make 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 15 envelopes and 15 card bases. So I am so excited. Also, in the catalog is the Holly Jolly card maker. So they have samples. Let me find the magazine. I've lost it. If I can find it. So they have I love this stamp to coordinate. So here, right here, so if you have more than 15 cards to make, or you just want to mix it up, you can use that same kit that I just showed you, those card bases and envelopes, and you can put together these cards right here. Isn't that awesome? I love this. You can make Christmas tags. You can do, you can make a cluster on your layout page. Isn't this adorable? Oh, I love it. And this one is $14.95 and it's C1800. So here, right here, this is just a white base card. And then they've got some black strips. You could do it with washi tape, and this is probably a printed paper right here from the Mix It set. And so you could get the Mix It set and use some washi tape or black strips and make yourself your own cards. Also, what I decided, because I want to do this, I picked up, they have some new Tri-Blend Spectrum Norma, and I picked up the dark red and the jade green blend to recreate these cards. So you could watercolor these if you want to stamp and watercolor them, or you could use these blending. So stay tuned. That is what I plan on doing. And then I picked up the Close to My Heart, the little shimmer glitter pen. So I have that to add some glimmer. I also picked up these Holly Jolly dots as well for my cards, or you can also use them with the cedar and pine. They go great with that. So that's awesome. You can use those for either one of those collections, Christmas collections that are out. And one of the other things that I'm waiting for to come in, it's for November, but I may need to order it now sooner. It's on my wish list since this was released October 15th, because I don't want them to run out. I know this is going to be a big hit. Is this monthly December to the 31st. You can have this in your stash year after year after year. I do document days of December. I've done that for about 6 years in different formats. I've done it in the 6x8s. I've done it by the 12x12. I've done it in the Traveler's Notebook. And I am always using paper. And now you actually have this awesome, beautiful stamp that has presents and snowmen and reefs and stuff, and then it comes with the die cuts that will also fit in Sidekick if you do not have the larger die. So that's what's coming. My sequins are coming, and I can't remember what else. I have 3 items coming. And now for the December stamp of the month, it is the Reindeer Crossing. Isn't this cute? Look at that. Let me take this off. Oh, look at that. Isn't that adorable? So for those that don't want to do, maybe you're giving out Christmas cards to a couple that does not have children at home, this would be awesome again to do outdoors layouts as well, but I love this. So this is like more maybe on the mature, not as fun or as whimsical as the elf, but I think the elf is cute too. I think it'll bring smiles on the face, but if you're looking for something a little bit more subtle, more wintry type Christmas, this would be the stamp. And this is going to be for the month of December. All right, so that's the month of December stamp. And what else did I want to share with you guys? So I've got the card kit, the Cedar and Pine, the Holly Jolly card kit maker. Oh, for that stamp for December, I purchased to go along with that the Toffee exclusive ink, the Espresso, and then the Evergreen. And then I went ahead and purchased, I have the water base ink, but I went ahead and purchased the solvent base in black. So I purchased that. And then plus I can use these with the cedar and pine as well. So it has multiple uses. This is great combination for outdoor layouts, Thanksgiving, and your winter. So that is that. So there is my haul. I will have my link listed below. Like I said, I would love it if I could get 6 customers to purchase $50 or more so I can hit my, what do you want to say, kickoff for being a new consultant. And please give a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I will have layouts and cards coming to you for the next month and a half. I have one more layout to share for the Hawthorne collection. I've already did the Halloween Spooktacular, showed you the layouts that I created and cards with the paper and sticker kit. Then I'm working on the Hawthorne, and then I'm going to move on to the Cedar and Pine and the Christmas cards. All right, so if you're not a subscriber, like I said, then subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit that bell button. And I look forward to seeing you all and answering any questions. There's the Mix It. You've got tons of samples. The Cedar and Pine comes with a workshop kit as well. There is so much inspiration in this catalog. Love it, love it, love it. There's your red and bright green traditional Holly Jolly kit. There is just a ton. Look at just even this double spread right here, back here. Love it, love it, love it. All right, that's my haul. Again, we'll see you soon. Bye.